How to make acquaintance with a monster. Find out where the monster lives. It may be not where you think. Existing maps may come in useful, as may a local guide with knowledge of the land. Into the monster's lair, however, you'd have to go alone. You may take a torch, but no weapons. Even if your heart is ready to jump out of your chest, even if you're convinced that the beast is about to eat you alive, even if you curse in the day you decided to make that journey, don't take the weapons. They may scare the monster away. Good, you may shout, this is just what I needed. No, it isn't. I can tell you for sure that peace, love and joy are not achieved through driving the monster away. It is part of this land. It lives here. So take a torch and some snacks and some courage and enter the monster's lair. Make an offering, even if your hands are trembling. Look into the eyes of the being that has been giving you nightmares all this time. Look into its eyes. Listen to its heartbeat. Notice how your hearts beat as one. Share some snacks. Talk, cry, light a campfire. Sit together, gazing into the flames.